Welcome to the Earth Eats Test Kitchen. My name is Heather, and we are going to make a fruit stacker parfait.
Oh, a fruit stacker. That sounds like fun.
It does sound like fun. There's a lot going on in this, but today we're going to use cantaloupe, raisins, and an apple.
Cantaloupe? What is a cantaloupe?
This is a cantaloupe.
Okay.
Now I've already cut it, and I've scooped out the seed. It's kind of bumpy on the outside. It's like a big ball. It's really good.
What happened to the middle of it? What happened in it?
It was full of these seeds, and I just scooped them out.
Oh,
easy.
Okay.
And you don't even really need a knife. This is so ripe, you could use a spoon.
You just use your hands?
Yeah, well, I don't know. I think I'd use a spoon.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
just to be safe.
Yeah.
So for this, I'm going to cut up just a little bit of the cantaloupe. And this is so ripe, you could use a butter knife.
Oh,
so I'm just going to cut up little pieces just for you.
Yeah, those are good size for me. Yeah,
they are. So I'm going to cut up a little bit of apple.
Okay.
And for this one that's just for you, I'm just going to use a big slice. And I'm going to cut it up small, just like the cantaloupe.
Okay.
Okay? And you could use a butter knife or ask an adult to help you.
Yeah.
Everyone likes apples.
You have to be careful, right,
You
Heather?
do have to be careful. I have to be careful.
Yeah.
So just enough for you.
Okay.
You don't need a whole one. So now we're going to layer this.
Okay. Oh, like a parfait.
Exactly like a parfait. Let's start with the apples.
Okay.
Some apple.
Put the apples in. Okay.
And then how about some raisins?
Yeah.
Yes.
I like the raisins.
Well, they're a good combination.
Yeah.
And then I am going to put in some vanilla yogurt.
Oh.
Now, if you would rather, you could use strawberry yogurt or blueberry, whatever you have.
Okay.
I'm just going to put a little bit in.
There's different flavors of yogurt?
Yeah.
Wow.
Or you could take the vanilla and just mash in your own strawberries, whatever you want. And now, how about some crunchy granola?
Okay.
You like granola?
Yeah. Yeah, put that in there.
Yeah.
That looks good.
This is easy.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to do the whole thing again.
Okay.
So I'm going to put in some cantaloupe.
Oh, you're going to repeat what you did.
I am. It's a pattern.
Okay, yeah, a pattern.
And then some apple.
Yeah.
And some raisins. Finish it off with some yogurt. And then you guessed it, granola.
Granola, yeah.
Quick
Is it
and
all
easy.
done?
It is all done. And I bet you already have all this at home.
Yeah. And this is very easy for them to make at home.
Very
right?
easy.
Yeah.
Very healthy.
Oh, yeah.
You can make it in just a snap.
Yeah.
And finish it off with a nice umbrella.
Heather has the umbrella again.
I do.
Oh, can I try?
You can. Let me get you some.
Yeah. Wait.
What do you think of that? Just right?
Oh,
Perfect?
Heather, great. So good. It is delicious.
And it was super simple.
Yeah, super simple.